Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great air compression massager for your feet, calves, and thighs. And it's by a company called CuPiLo. This is the box that it comes in. Naturally, it's going to come with a user manual that explains the features. We're going to cover that right here in this video. And then as you can see, I have it all strapped on. So you're going to have a nice strap for your feet, a nice strap for your calves. It's got a nice little brace for your knee, and then again, once again, another strap on your thighs. Now to give you an idea of the size here, your leg is about approximately 10 inches, your thigh is about 8¼ inches in length, and then your feet is about 10¼ inches long. Now the max calf size that this thing can handle is 19 inches, and the max thigh is 27 inches in circumference. So that's where you get the Velcro. They're all attached by Velcro, so if your thigh is over that or your calf's over that, it's not going to be able to Velcro solid enclosed. But how does it work? Basically, you have a nice little control panel, you plug it in, and it's going to have a lot of different options. So you're going to hold it down to the power button, and that is going to turn on the device and get it going for you. Then you're going to have this. One of the cool things about this is it has 3 different heating options. So if you want that soothing heat, this guy's got that. And so there's a little heat button on the bottom. It's going to show like a little squiggly line. Press the heat button. It's got a next. It's going to add another squiggly line. And then press it again, and it's going to turn it on the maximum heat level. So basically a low, medium, and high. Now, if you don't want the heat on, just hit it one more time, and it'll completely turn off the heat. So like I like the heat in the winter. In the summertime, not unless, I typically don't have it unless I'm really wanting to soothe a sore muscle or something.
Okay, covering the different modes. So the pressing is going to cover basically your feet, your calves, and your thighs. It's going to cover everything at once. If you want to change to the kneading is going to be a different kind of air pressure. It's like little short pulses, and those are going to only focus on your calves and your thighs. And then if you want to go to the Shih Tzu, that is going to focus only on your feet, which is just a little bit different aspect. And it's got a little bit longer than the kneading. It's like a longer air and not like short bursts, if you will. But so you can focus on your feet, you can focus on your calves and your thighs, or you can focus on everything at once through the various different mode options.
Now another thing is it has 3 different intensity button modes. How you're going to do that is simply just tap the power button, and you'll notice there's a bunch of bars at the bottom, and they will go up by 2, essentially, letting you know which mode you are on as far as that compression. Overall, it's very quiet, so if you're doing this while watching TV or movie, it's not going to be disturbing others around you. And then it also has an auto-off feature of 20 minutes. So that's a nice thing. You know how long you've been doing it. It'll automatically turn off after you've been using it for 20 minutes. And the screen here is very easy to see. It's very easy to tell what you got going on, what devices and everything is absolutely running, which is a nice feature of the little control unit itself. And then everything just folds nice and compact, and you can just store it away when you're not utilizing it. So if you are in the market for a nice air compression massager that also has soothing heat, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.